Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm your crypto sensei for the day, and today we're talking about Dentcoin. Now it's going to be a purely technical video. It's not going to take too much of your time, but let's learn some concepts together. Now if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like because it means a lot to me and I want to keep providing you with the best possible technicals out there. At some point I'm going to create a course as well for you all to learn from, and it's going to be completely free. So make sure to subscribe for that. Now, what can we see right now on Dentcoin's chart? First of all, you have to acknowledge the fact that I am on the log chart. Now, if I'm not on the log chart, the chart will look something like this, and it's pretty ugly, right? It doesn't really take into consideration all of the highs and all of the lows, and it's kind of disproportional. So I like to put my chart on the log chart so we can see how price action is actually moving over time and relatively to each other. Now I'm going to delete everything to show you how I do my technicals. The first thing that I do is try to point out any significant zones of support or resistance on the chart. So one of them that I can see right away is something along the lines of this, but since it's not too clean, I would prefer to draw a trend line that acts as a zone of support. So as you can see, it's a little bit more clean right now, and if I delete this line, we can see that we have a clear zone of support formed on 3 exact areas: 1, 2, and 3. This means that at these points right here, buyers are becoming stronger than sellers and not allowing the price to move any lower. Now, as you can see in the past, in February of 2021, this price was 0.001191, right? Right here, the price was higher, and right here, the price was higher, which means that overall, the interest for this coin and the demand for it is rising, meaning that people are willing to buy it for a higher and higher price. Now, what can we see on the top of the chart? We can see a similar zone of not support, but resistance this time. So it's quite perfect, and we can see that sellers are taking over right here. And, obviously people want to take profits from any move that happens. So anybody who bought in here, or right here will want to take profits around this level, or this level. It makes perfect sense. Same as people who buy here, and here want to take profits around this level, potentially this level, and wherever not, which puts the price down. Now, a few more things that we can see. Another trend line spotted right about here, broken out of, and another zone of significant support, which was also broken out of, but then we're moving down again. Now, one very important thing that you guys have to learn is that trend lines aren't everything until you pair them with other signs of technicals in the market. One of these signs is the inverse head and shoulders pattern, which you can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right here. Now, I did mention it in a video previously to this, so you are feel free to check it out on the channel, but the head and shoulders formation seems to be forming very nicely right now, and what I can expect the price to do is to continue this shoulder and then break out towards the upside from the neckline, make a retracement, and then continue upwards. Now, what's the neckline for this head and shoulders pattern? It's right here. Now, if this is confusing you, we can delete all of the drawings and just make it very simple. We have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder on top of a significant zone of support that I've drawn before that moves all the way back into the past. Now, just to make it more clean, I'm going to do this, but what can we expect? We can expect the break of this neckline, and obviously we're not trying to predict the market, so I'm not going to be buying anything right here, but in case we do make a break of the neckline, we can either enter the market right on the break right here, or wait for a little pullback and enter at a favorable position, waiting for more upside. Now, my first target is this area, which is the $0.008 mark, and my second target would be the previous all-time high level, so marked right here. So that was a quick video discussing Dentcoin. Now, if you did enjoy these technicals and if you do find my voice soothing, make sure to subscribe to the channel for some more content, and please guys, comment down below if you want to hear more about stuff like this, if you want to hear more about what Dent actually is. Spoiler alert, it's an eSIM provider on the blockchain. Now, thanks for watching. I really enjoy you guys being here. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.